edition of the 3D Experience Forum 2019 hosted the first ever 3D Experience pitch under the 3D Experience Lab initiative in India. The 3D Experience pitch is aimed at inspiring budding entrepreneurs to develop products that have a socio-economic impact across domains such as new mobility, life sciences, construction, cities and territories.
We had 3 criteria to choose. Number 1 criteria, startup should have disruptive product. It should not be me too kind of startup. It should have disruptive product. That's a fundamental requirement. Second requirement, startups should impact the society. You, me, everyone. Third requirement is startups should have a collective intelligence. It's not one-man army. So with these 3 criteria, we had tough time to select the top 3 startups. Today we are going to show you these startups on stage.
The first startup to present at 3D Experience pitch was Log9 Material. The company leverages graphene nanotechnology for development of enhanced and commercially viable aluminium air batteries.
This battery runs only on aluminium, air and water. It can run for more than 1,000 kilometers. Once you are done with 1,000 kilometers, you don't need to recharge it. You just have to refuel it with aluminium.
Brainsight.ai creates AI-based diagnostic tools that can help psychiatrists diagnose mental disorders using MRI scans.
Doctors upload a 5-minute scan of your brain. Our AI-enabled engine decodes brain activity and connectivity patterns. Doctors get an accurate differential diagnosis within a single day.
And LUCID Implants develops custom implant solutions in the life sciences domain.
Our total solution seamlessly integrates virtual surgical planning for surgical simulation, intraoperative patient-specific tools for surgical precision, and personalized implants for perfect fitment.
The attendees of the event voted on the 3D Experience platform, and Log9 Materials won the pitches. Simultaneously, the panel of judges voted LUCID Implants as the joint winners of the 3D Experience pitch. Both will get an access to be mentored in Dassault Systems headquarters in Vélizy, France, and they would also get an opportunity